everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video we will be playing Pet Simulator X again. And yes, if you guys did notice, I changed my avatar up a lot, and I think I look pretty cool now. More outlined in rainbow. If I didn't show you guys in my last video, I now have 6 huges. Pretty crazy. Let me unequip all my other pets. Yeah. So we have a scary cat, pterodactyl, air cat, a golden leprechaun, a golden H-rock, and my huge mosaic corgi. This guy just said hey. I'll say hi. I don't like the eyes, dude. Don't really like those eyes. Can I offer... What? What is he saying? See. Oh, wow. When you are... What? This guy just treated me. Want to offer my huge air cat? Offer for what? I have many huges. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. I want a huge? No, thank you. OG exclusive, I don't really care. So we're just gonna try and, I don't have a lot of gems right now. So we're gonna go and put some pets up in our booth. And we're gonna put up the Air Dragon's Dark Matter. And we're just gonna try and get some gems so we can hatch the new air egg. And we're gonna try and hatch the diamond ones so we can get another huge. So let's see. Oh, 584 Roblox Gaming Mag 4. Let's try and friend request him. Ooh, they're selling huges. Oh, they just sold one. Maybe I can sell a huge pet. No, I don't actually want to sell huge pets. I want to keep my huge pets I have. Well, so we're going to sell. I need to sell. Let's sell 4. And we'll sell them for 400 million. Let's see if we can get any purchases. Okay, so I think I'm going to add knife cats for 300 million. And I know that's really low. But no. Oh no. Red alert. Roblox, or if anyone watching this is the dev, ban HCU_X019. Yeah, they're hacking. Watch. They just what? They're teleporting. They're hacking. Where are they? Where are they? I don't want people to get scammed. Well, we made some money. Okay, so now we are going to go to the diamond air egg. But before we do that, there is something that I have to do. In-game. My RIP's been saying the same recently. So if we scroll down, I have 794 pets. I have a couple of rainbows and a lot of goldens there. Do I have any shinies? Shiny. Nope. So we're gonna go ahead and go make these rainbow. And I will be right back. Just like that, we have all these rainbows. So now we're gonna go to the Dark Tech. And go here. Do I have pets to claim? Nope, no pets to claim. So we're gonna go click all of these. Oh, it's super teamwork. Okay, there's 1, 2, 3, and that's all we can do. And so now, wait, are these? Let's go ahead and put all these in, since we have to make room, because these are limited and those rainbow chef monkeys are not limited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We can do one more. Alrighty. So we have a gift to claim. Let's go ahead, put on my best pets. Unequipped all. Put my huge pets on. Put these on. And boom. Okay. Well, we're gonna go to the April Fool's world. And right here is where I hatched my huge pet. Oh, luck. I'm gonna drive away from it. Now let's get my bee hoverboard out. We're gonna be on my bee hoverboard for the whole time we're hatching, since I think the bee hoverboard will give me luck. Speaking of luck, we have to turn on the server boosters. Hey, let's go over here. Bee hoverboard over. Whee! And oh my gosh, I have so many of these. We have it on for 6.5 hours. Go to April Fool's PS1. And run, run, run. Make sure my auto delete settings are good. Yep, we're good. So we have, basically 100 pets. So we're gonna go, please. And this is very expensive, 32,000. Oof, I'm spending over, hold on. So if we go over here, 32,123 times 8 equals 256,000. Copy that. Well, we don't need 256,000 times probably 1,000 that we're gonna hatch. Oh wow. So we can hatch over 2,000 eggs. If, you know, okay. Let's just see what we get from our first 2 hatches. Okay, we already got a rainbow. Air dragon, not keeping that. Alright, I'm just gonna auto hatch for a while and I'll catch up with you guys if something special happens. Goodbye. Wait, why do I feel like my camera can zoom in further than this? Alright, see you later, y'all. Okay, we've been hatching for a while. We've hatched over 1,000 eggs. And you got no huge pet. So if we search up huge, yeah, we only have our 1. That's sad. We still probably could go hatching for a long time, but we only have 1 rainbow and a few goldens. And then our rainbow of these Yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here, but I'm still gonna do some hatching. So I'm gonna do this off camera. And yeah, next video I will tell you guys what I get. So, goodbye everyone.